Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Installing your own modem will likely save you money. Upgrading to a newer modem may give you faster speeds, especially if you're subscribed to one of the higher speed packages. But also understand your ISP will likely upgrade or replace your rental modem for free in these cases as well.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In general, you can expect a modem to last between 2 and 5 years before it has to be replaced due to failure or obsolescence. Modems can last an exceptionally long time before failing if none of the parts fail.
Take our lead.
Buying a modem and router will increase your upfront costs, but lower your monthly internet bill. Most tech experts suggest buying separate devices, but a combo unit will get the job done if you're trying to keep things simple. Either way, you'll save money in the long run. And that's always a smart decision.
Take our lead.
Since modem technology changes slowly, you can usually use a modem for years, until it breaks, but you might need to replace a router because you want better coverage, because you've added more devices to your network and your old router isn't keeping up, or because you want to take advantage of the latest improvements.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.